Knock, knock. Who's there? Summer. Here's the question. Let's say after the beach, you're sitting in a friendly traffic jam on the 405 freeway, or you're on your way to your mother-in-law's house to discuss your future. Are you still gonna be happy with that sun? Don't take a page out of his book.
Oh, not the pink one. That one's my favorite.
As if teenagers need more reason to be annoyed. You look great. That's what I thought. Luckily, we here at QuikSnap are sun connoisseurs, and by that I mean we hate the sun. And we've decided to fix your problems. Introducing the QuikSnap Sun Shade. No magnets, no clips, no drilling. Just a quick snap. Oh, that's where we got the name. QuikSnap is very simple, so even your stupidest friends can figure it out. It instantly protects you from direct sunlight, glare, sunstroke, vitamin D overdose, and more. All without glue or any additional tools. And it's 100% gluten-free. And unlike tinted windows, the QuikSnap snaps off quickly, ensuring for safe driving at night. It leaves no damage or lasting marks, unlike your mother-in-law's stinging comments about your career. QuikSnap, the revolutionary sunshade.